Kante Uchena Waneso Honete Uchweta Ora Neva Wacheba Cheba Kante Uchena Waneso Honete Uchweta Ora Neva Wachola
Avant-garde, bebop, and free jazz. All of these terms define a cultural movement, which in turn speaks to a sometimes wayward stem in the evolution and revolution that is art itself. What is or was Motswako? Does Motswako culture live? Or has it, as culture is dynamic, evolved?
And they would not play other music. The other music they ever guys have me hela. Give me no who think is Joanna.
Yeah.
What the other? If you don't reheleze more. You know, but then
Which is what
then you have that group earlier Afropop.
Or-
Yes.
or traditional.
A good ki hip hop, then a one na baske.
Yes.
I went Mare Afropop to soul, nobody's there. Reggae, they are not recognized. How would the reggae? I don't know. Reggae kaskana mo mahiking iko Limpopo.
Yes.
Limpopo bo Xhosa bo KwaZulu, and basically that's how it's always been perceived. So we keep botsa radio last ke a botsa kere ba ga itse ke ma ke tse gore ga re ke re tshameka mmino wa rona, yet we can have a session e leng gore there's about a full 3 to 4 to 5 hours e tshameka mmino wa Setswana. Botlhoko ba teng ke gore ke bua fela ka a small part of Batswana, which obviously ba tswa mo Mahikeng ba re ba itseng thata kere Mahikeng yotlhe ka tshameka mmino o seng Motswako.
Yeah.
From Bo Quincy K to Bo Soul to Bo TS to all these bands tse nang le tsone mo Mahikeng, and others to the reggae bo Homza and all the bo TLS and all these other guys, but they don't get play ka gonne o tlhelele gore re setse re tswaletswe mo boxong e leng gore ga o sa ira ka moo kana o sa ira ka Tuxi kana mang those frontiers, then you fall out of the box.
Yeah.
You know, so ke botsa radio, ke botsa media, ke botsa gore how is it, how are we going to be swallowed? Because the challenge is the radio don't play Setswana music. Regardless, ba tshameka Setswana music is Satrataga, then ba tshameka Mojo fela Hawani, kampo ba tshameka WHP ya ba Mogopotse. Like it doesn't make sense. But yet we're supposed to be community.
Yeah.
Ha re tsamaya re ya go in other places. Ke le ko Selongwa ko mo Kopane FM. Mo Kopane FM I tshameke ope, tshameka Limpopo like full on. And I'm asking myself, where's the culture of re-promote and develop our own, so that we are able to obviously host our own events with our own stars. Come side in here, right? That never happens. I give you, man. I give you more joy. So I don't know what Motswako, when we say we define it, how do we define that?
We should listen to him. To go Oriano. This thing, there is similar definition. What has been detrimental to Motswako and its development? It's its ability to define itself. We have not been able to define it, hence we are not able to place it over the longest period of time.
Okay.
Because pertinent questions then arise. How does Mulari discuss this question? Number one, Motswako ki selo sa ko Mahikeng. Motswako ki selo sa mo Northwest. Motswako ki selo sa Batswana. Kapa Motswako ki tlhakatlhakano ya dilo. Yeah. So Motswako has never been able to answer this question. You see? And then now but why do we now have Motswako as it is now? Then we must look at what rose to the surface as Motswako, which is basically the obsession with the genre. Because before him, the idea was there.
Yeah, book crowd crew were there. I mean, Boba
The Prophet
Fiki,
were
Levan
there.
Valete.
Yes. Stu
Yes,
were
the
there.
one Levote.
Yes.
Dobu
Mamusadi
Nanta
Malte.
Alimote. Yes.
Yes. That's what Pelaka Setswana.
Yeah.
But with his prominence, the genre rose to a different level because he purposely built around it.
Because when you're saying that, is it an issue? The other people or the other guys, the embrace thing was not much, because I remember Jabu and I go grapevine. I find records.
Yes.
Yeah, bomb territory before.
Yes.
Then Abuva, Nalichiko before Ilogore, and I'm asking myself, was it a cloud issue or from there I the first album, then because obviously he had come from those other guys.
Yes.
And I didn't like the little history, yes, where you could say, hey, Brashuko, Khotamang, whereas you guys had to be a unit.
Yes.
Because it was solely dependent on Halidula go House of Motswako, not a unit,
Yes.
for the protect,
Yes.
you know,
Yes.
so that you can break through.
Yes.
Yeah. So I asked myself, what made the breakthrough in that prominent Kajabulani?
Yeah.
Squeeze into that hole.
Jabba himself was never really a hip hop purist.
Now in the early 2000s.
Do you see what I'm saying? So he defined Motswako in himself. The man was a choral musician.
Yes.
Was Mjaivo. So, we're not different.
Mama she wrote a lot of crowd music.
Yes.
So inevitably spend I mean the stratas are not so
Yes.
it was but my thing about it is that if you are not able to define Motswako, Burankana Bone, Budula aside, Rabobela Goto, Karare Diatla.
Yes.
I will under that because I got no I define it. We are here now.
Yes.
Let's define.
Now we are actually coming to the core of why we are having a problem. The problem is in the definition. Because
You reckon if it was defined, it will still be.
yes, it will be easy to take it forward if it could be defined. You see, because literally this debate, Lilo Road,
Yeah.
something is wayward.
Yeah.
For the sake of this interview, well, Nerebuaka is pedophile.
Yeah.
And I was saying to him, but pedophile king Kastwan. And then his argument was, Mar, how was Nale Hokola Sitwana la pedophile? It became like, no, that's not the point. The point is, once we give it a name, we make it real. You see, once we give it a real name, we
breathe into it.
You breathe air to it, it comes alive. Game out. You see, but if it's not lean, it can't but it has no prominence. You see what I'm saying? So
no, I'm just saying, I can't do
this is
how
where we
I
were
define
going.
it.
Yeah. So how does it go? Was done. Harena, but the body define a mino was although only the divisions.
Yes.
Mar, Hilo Sumla Samagara, you was whether we synthetically can beat or but Motswako a little problem. Or now, is it limited only to raps? Is it limited to, because even when we started doing raps, it was not in its purest form. In a very Mjaivo music. Yeah. Motswako's always come up because
No, very true.
it was a fusion of the Kwaito.
But also the house that we used to like here.
Exactly.
You know? The house that we used to
The
like.
continuance of
Yeah.
Kwaito and that house culture.
Because even before Kwaito, in Randaranali, ke gopola like abo Bruce ba le mona.
Yes.
Before Bantse Basama, we had a huge following house music.
Yes.
You know, like
That's
house
always
music.
been
Yeah.
like
So
that culture.
correct. So ha po Thebe ba simola ba tswa and all these guys ba tswile ka mmino e leng gore it was not nkalakatha or pese, but it was very khobina, you know.
But now,
But I know.
on one side we have Kubina.
Er.
But now, can you agree with me or then Kwaito was predominantly Zulu?
Yeah, quite is Zulu, right?
Zulu, eh?
Zulu, right?
Yeah. Then Motswako comes and it dilutes this culture. Do you see what I'm doing?
No.
It creates a problem. Then we go to Polokwane in 2007. Then we have a new president in 2009. Then suddenly we have a deliberate death of Motswako.
whole-
Yeah, because we are not killing a genre, we are
Yeah.
killing a culture.
Yeah, Chile has it, definitely.
Yes, we are killing a culture. Then you get the rising of drum music, which is the new Kwaito, but it's
It's very defined.
Pure
Yeah, it's
Zulu.
defined. It's clearly defined.
exactly,
Yeah.
you know. Then Motswako cannot get traction in the mainstream media anymore, you know. And then people look to us and say, yeah, but gaming. But all the doors are closed.
But tell me who should open the doors? I think that's the first thing you already defining Motswako and all those. How did the Khororo who was responsible for opening them?
But who was opening them before? Because you remember we talked
Any
about.
Mahode.
You see what I'm saying?
Hey, that's
we
why you
talked
were
about
again.
EMI, we talked about
That's
Ghetto
why-
Rap.
Yes.
It was not our doors to open and close.
How come did it not get to that? I mean, obviously it got to a point where you're like, okay, I'm going to do this regardless.
Yes.
And I'm coming back home, and you took a deliberate
Yes.
action, because I would think to
Yeah. It was
go bolaya a culture,
Yes.
it's deliberate.
Exactly.
A person does,
Yeah.
and it's also as well.
It's
It's
deliberate.
also deliberate.
Yeah.
On that
Now,
one.
here's me now.
Yeah.
And now I am defying the norm. By saying, but I can't have this thing being owned by these people there. I'm actually taking this thing back home
Yeah.
to center it there,
Very true.
where it must grow organically.
Correct.
Exactly, right?
Yeah.
But we're already in a moving train of the death of this thing.
And it comes with pain. No, it comes with the pains that day.
We are already, at that time,
Yeah.
we're already in the dying of this thing, where it's deliberately being killed.
And now, because I've always paid attention. Again, there was Jabu, Onali, only icon yeah, South African music.
Yes.
You know, like then kana go ya phasing out. Khotla then Khotla Kulichana.
Yes.
You know, Atwara baton, and he held it for a long time with the
Yes.
and how Kulishana and Zare Wariana, the guys on my image, you know, for election and everybody else, and everybody was still around. Then Bogota obviously Refile,
Yes.
you know, Refile came through, and clearly in that essence is that the biggest acts in the country
Yes.
have always come from one place.
Yeah. You see, now you are
Now-
on dangerous ground.
I am.
Yeah.
I am
Now
on
you're
dangerous ground. I am.
Yeah, you are slippery slope.
No, I'm not slippery slopey. I'm not slippery slopey.
Yeah.
It's dangerous ground.
Yes.
Eh, go re mona ke bo ga khwanya pe. Go re go sleg.
Yes.
But what I'm saying is gore the possibility gore when you look at it and say for the past 10, 15 years,
Yes.
there's always been that baton holder, if I
Yes.
may say.
Yes.
E diragetse yang through all the pitfalls ba go le ka go emiswa botlapele mona music o sa batla go tshamekiwa ka go batla go buang. We know all the stories tse dingwe tse dingwe gore di diragala ko ntle kwa.
Yes.
But then you have these baton holders. Leading forward, like gore tla be ke ipotsa gore a gona le batho ba bangwe ba ke ba bonang gore they're able to hold it. Fifi Ding, though she's on the sideline a little bit, or she's on the sideline, if I can put it like that. But Casper obviously remains mainstream.
Yeah, I agree. I know. You mentioned what Jabba held the baton, you know, for a long time.
Brought in
Yeah.
other people, like
Yeah.
you say,
Yeah.
Aaron Drebu.
Yeah, or that will need to be defined because even at the time of his prominence,
Yeah.
there were also equally prominent counterparts in the game. You know?
Definitely,
Yeah,
yes.
and he made it so that it's like that.
Error.
You know, deliberately, and that was the crazy thing about it, that he created competition for himself.
Correct.
Yeah, and he fed off it. Whereas the natural instinct of everybody else, those
Yes.
who followed him,
To-
is to
to-
close,
to- yes.
yes, is to close the doors.
And I've always had an issue on it. Well, Kisa easy the other guys because the first thing that you did was that you embraced everybody more development thing that
Yes.
was there.
Yes,
You know, and as much as whatever, that influenced how the other guys who were already ba mover, gore ba kgone go ka tsaya a guy or two,
Yes.
ba kgone go bona gore how best do they
you can
push
move
it.
forward.
Yes,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, but now you see when I come back home, now I find expression is
Yeah.
you know, at the core of his development. You
Error.
know, in terms of producers, in terms of performers,
Error.
I find like the cream of the crop
Error.
already, which became very easy decision. Not that it was a sacrifice.
Error.
It was a benefit, a plus for myself to find, you know.
Definitely.
Now,